Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you may be able to tell, I look a little different. Get a haircut, so my hair is not super long. And if you saw my what I got for Christmas video, this was a Christmas present. Got a gift card to get my hair done, so I'm super happy because I can like run my fingers through my hair, and it looks a little messy right now because it's super foggy and rainy the past few days. Basically, this video is going to be different from the other ones. The past 2 days I haven't been doing a whole lot of work on my own. I've been doing more helping my mom, and then my cousin was here yesterday. So I really have not gotten a lot of my own work done. I did have one meeting with a family today, but other than that, I really didn't do a whole lot of my own things. I've mostly been helping other people. So this video is going to be a special topic focused. It's going to be my 2020 vision board. It's going to be a digital vision board using an app. I don't remember the name, but you will see it. It's a cool app where you put in the pictures and then of what you want your vision board to look like. It's not necessarily like creating what an actual vision board would look like, but it's more like Instagram. I don't know. It'll make sense when you see it. And if you click on the pictures, you can actually write out your goal and be specific, which is what I did here. I had thought about doing like a voiceover, but I have a lot of audio issues with my voiceovers. So I think what I'm gonna do is just set it to music. And as you guys watch the whole thing, I will write out my 2020 goals for the 5 priority areas with 3 goals each. I'm going to set music to it, and you guys will get to see what I am working on in 2020. I split it up into 5 priorities: spiritual, physical, social, career, skills, and learning. So like hobbies and things I want to do to better myself and also learn this year, including foreign languages. There's some ballet, there's some cheer, there's some dance, there's some violin, calligraphy, all kinds of things going on. And then obviously my YouTube and Instagram goals. Oh, and then like reading goals and my Bible reading goal. There are other goals I need to put in there, but these were my top goals. And this app is really cool because it creates a slideshow. So one thing I'm gonna do is watch that slideshow every day, or at least aim to watch it every day, so that I can be super motivated as I watch it and remember what's important to me going into this year and keep focused on that. Because I'm the type of person that I want to do all of the things, and I really need to limit it down, which is why I created my 5 priorities and then split those priorities into 3 goals each. So I hope this video gives you some insight into what I'm aiming to do, and also some motivation. If you have not done your 2020 vision board, it is not too late. Go ahead and do it. And if you make a video about it, let me know in the comments. If you just post it on your Instagram, also let me know that and tell me like your username, and I'll go look it up because I want to see what you guys are aiming for this year. With that, we're gonna get into the video.
Story of
2020 vision board. I hope it inspired you. I hope it gives you some more insight into who I am as a person and who I'm aiming to become as a person in 2020. Go ahead and give it a like. Give it a like if you enjoyed this video, and be sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. I'm uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. My work and career and job search vlogging for the month of January, and we're getting really close to February already. And in February, we're going to start talking a lot about finances and how I am aiming to pay off debt in 2020. So, don't miss it. Be sure you're subscribed, and I will talk to you guys next time on Friday. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.